Everything works, but it won't turn over. It sounds like a vibration noise. Then I also get some weird stuff going on there. Lights work. Battery's good, so I think something else is going on. I can't. So I try to get it out of drive, and it won't let me. So I must feel like the key. I don't know. I put the key in. I can't even shift it. So it's almost like it's electrical signaling from my key isn't right or something. I don't know. I could be totally wrong, but like I can't get it out of this gear with or without the key. So if I hit lock and unlock, still not letting me do anything. Let me try locking it. Yeah, something's funky electrically. Like when I push the brake down, it won't go all the way down with the key turned. See that flashlight like that? How it goes like that? That's weird. That's like something else is going on here. So I'm going to call AAA. I think I'm going to end up having to take it. Yeah, I can't start it.